Condomounts, mount anywhere. What do we mean by that? Means that in your house, you have so many different kind of walls, right? You probably have never seen even what is behind the wall of your house. What you see is this white thing. Here, we have all kinds of walls that you're going to encounter and how Condomounts has solutions for you so that you can mount on any kind of wall. So what walls do we have? This is a concrete wall. This is how a concrete wall is going to look. And there's brick. Some walls are brick. You need to drill into the brick or the mortar beside it. And you need a certain wall block, certain anchors, certain lag bolt to use for that and to use for this. This is a mock wall. Okay, these are metal studs. This is how they look like. You can see more information here about the metal studs. How they look like. They are hollow. They're not as thick as wooden studs. See, this is a wooden stud. Maybe you can't see this. This is a wooden stud. This is how houses are framed. Okay, and then we have the pillar, right? The pillar mount, which can exist inside, and we have all kinds of mounts to be used outside in a covered area, right? It has stainless steel screws, and it's painted with paint which is with electrostatic spray so that it withstands rust as much as possible. Okay, so we have the outdoor mounts. The series is called Zebozap series for the outdoor mounts, right? So these are that's why when you say mount anywhere, you're going to find a mount that works for a TV wherever you want to mount that TV. That's why Condomounts makes a good gift. If you're looking for a gift this season for somebody, a TV mount is a wonderful gift.